Hello and good evening. Now the exams are approaching very fast. You all would be preparing really hard for the exam. But one thing you should focus on: time management. Specifically in the P level papers and in the skill level audit paper. You'll find many students who say that I could not attempt 10 marker paper, 15 marker paper, 20 markers paper. That means somewhere the speed of attempting the paper was not apt. Now, how you can avoid such a situation? From now only, start practicing in a time bound manner. How can you do that? Let us suppose in P levels, you are taking a question of 25 marks or 30 marks. Let me suppose that. Allocate 50 minutes for it. Prepare a chart, make a column that question 1 you are trying, allocated time is 50 minutes, and then take a stopwatch and start it. Now, in those 50 minutes, do not allow anyone to interrupt you. In those 50 minutes only, you need to read the question, understand the requirement, frame an outline, and then start typing. Everything should be done in 50 minutes. And the moment it's 50 minutes, stop there and there, even if the question is not complete. It's okay, leave it there. Now compare how many number of pages did you type? How many points are matching with the examiner's points? Keep on writing this down on a piece of paper. Now practice the next question in the similar manner. Then again, third question in the similar manner. Do practice 2 to 3 questions on a daily basis like this. Now gradually after 2-3 days, you will start noticing that in those 50 minutes, now the number of pages which you are typing, that is increasing. The number of correct points, that is also increasing. This will improve your speed. This will improve and will train your brain how to think in a limited time span. Because in that particular time span, you are doing many things. You have to read the question, understand its requirement, frame an outline of the answer, then start writing the details to the answer, present it properly, and specifically in P level, this presentation specifically carries 20 marks. That means what you are writing should be carefully written, should be carefully outlined. You cannot just start typing anything. This practice definitely works really well for 99% of the students. But this needs dedication, consistency, discipline. And this practice should be continued till the exam date. That means even one day before the exam, at least practice one question so that the flow doesn't break. Try this approach. Very much likely, you will not land up leaving the paper unattempted. Most likely, this will work in your case also, the way it has worked for 99% students. So do well, practice well. The exams are very near. Remember, if these 10-12 days you do not work hard, then it will be a complete quarter. Don't let that happen. Buckle up, work hard, work smart, and pass the exam. Prepare well. All the best. Thank you so much. Take care.